Trading indices on Oanda is a popular way to speculate on the performance of global stock markets. To get started, you need to open an account with Oanda and fund it. Once your account is set up, you can begin trading indices. First, log into your Oanda account and navigate to the trading platform. Choose the index you want to trade, such as the US 30, which tracks the Dow Jones Industrial Average, or the DA 30, which tracks the German DAX. You can also choose from a range of other indices, including the UK 100, which tracks the FTSE 100, and the JP 225, which tracks the Nikkei 225. Next, analyze the market by looking at charts and technical indicators. This will help you identify trends and patterns in the market and make informed trading decisions. You can use a range of technical indicators, including moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. When you are ready to place a trade, decide whether you want to buy or sell the index. If you think the index will go up, you would buy, and if you think it will go down, you would sell. Set your position size, which is the amount of money you want to risk on the trade. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels to limit your potential losses and lock in profits. Oanda offers a range of trading tools and features, including leverage, which allows you to trade with more money than you have in your account. However, leverage can also increase your potential losses, so use it with caution. You can also use Oanda's mobile app to trade on the go and access a range of market analysis and news feeds to stay up to date with market developments. To manage your risk, it is essential to use stop-loss orders, which automatically close your position if it reaches a certain level of loss. You should also diversify your portfolio by trading a range of different indices and not putting all your money into one trade. Finally, stay up to date with market news and analysis, and continuously monitor your trades. Trading indices on Oanda can be a profitable way to speculate on the performance of global stock markets, but it requires discipline, patience, and a solid understanding of the markets. By following these steps and using the tools and features available on the Oanda platform, you can trade indices with confidence and achieve your trading goals.